Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. So this is going to be a makeup tutorial and I tried to make this as detailed as possible. I know I don't usually show you guys the process of doing my brows in most of my makeup videos, so this is a very detailed one. I believe it is quite detailed. So basically what I do is I line the top of my brow. I outline the top and then the bottom of my brow, and then I go in and fill it in a little bit, like all the spas areas. I just fill it in with the pencil, and this pencil I believe is from Annabelle and it's in the shade chocolate. And after I'm done doing that, I'm also gonna brush it into place and just, you know, spread the liner or the pencil. And then I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and I'm going to use the shade chocolate as well to fill in my brows as well, because the Annabelle pencil looks like it's red, even though in real life it actually looks good, but in this video it's looking kind of red. Plus I have a lot of redness going on my skin in general, so that might also be it. But yeah, the Annabelle brow pomade actually is a proper shade for me, so I go ahead and I fill that in some more. And I always tell you guys, I don't do too much with my brows. A lot of people are very artistic with this thing, me not so much. That's basically it. I'm now gonna grab a concealer, and I believe this is from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm gonna use that to just clean up my brows so it's a little neat. And while I'm doing that, I'm just going to line it up properly and shape it so it doesn't look like the Nike sign. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And once I'm done doing that, we're going to jump right into the face. And for my face today, because my skin's looking pretty good if I do say so myself, I'm going to be using the Angel Veil NYX primer to just prime my skin and just get it ready for the foundation and all of the other products we're going to be using. And then I will rub that into my skin so it's sitting in nicely. And yeah, this usually has a white cast, but it actually does the job. I really like this primer a lot. And then I'm going to go into foundation, and I'm using my Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo foundation, and I'm gonna use that all over my face, and I'm gonna spread it. And yeah, so I believe from this point everything else is just self-explanatory. I just really wanted to come and show you guys, talk to you guys about the process of doing my brows. But anything else I feel like I need to let you guys know, I will make sure to do so in this video. But I believe everything else is self-explanatory, and I just want you guys to enjoy this video and enjoy the music as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in another video.